Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is April the 16th on a Wednesday, and taking a quick look here at the Qs, you can see they ran right into their 20-period moving average. A little bit of a doji yesterday at the lower end of that range, and now we're seeing a gap down. So key level here, you can see I don't have the trend line drawn, but you can definitely see it if I did draw it. So we're going to call that 20 moving average there on the Qs a key level. Not only do you have a key moving average, you have a downward sloping trend line that we need to get back above. Not seeing a whole lot of setups, guys. Not crazy about this market still. Very, very light over here. Let's dive in, take a look at some of the setups. The one that I called yesterday, I'm calling again today, is silver. I still think it has some catching up to do, and you can see now it's gapping above all of its moving averages. The trigger on this is the same as yesterday, 29.66. It is gapping above that. You can play it as you will or not play it, but I'm going to be looking for a pullback to add to my position. I've been in it for well over a week, but looking to add to this at some point, hopefully getting a pullback this morning, maybe to the 28, let's call it 29.86 level there on silver. PLTR is definitely showing some relative strength, and I'm not sure what is going on here, but back above all its key moving averages. Looking for a break of yesterday's high at 99.01. Don't like buying highs in this market, but that would be a key level, a pivot level there, if it does get to take out yesterday's high in that PLTR. So watching that one. TTGT, this is a low float earnings play. Doesn't do a whole lot of average volume. It's like 376,000 on average. But they do have earnings, and I do like if it can get above this range. So we're calling 993 the trigger there on that TTGT. Once again, an earnings play. Be careful with this one. It can be very volatile. And then the last on the list is this VST. Okay, this is electric power distribution. Very similar to that Q's chart I was looking at. You can see the downtrend, but I think if it can take out like a 2-week high here and get above 121s. We're calling the 121.01 as a trigger there on VST. All right, guys. Like I said, not doing a whole lot. This is not a favorable market for doing a whole lot of swing trading. So have a great one. To keep it tight, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.